Eating 3 peppers in 10 minutes. Let's go. Sticker bite. Stem bite. Oh, the stem's really hard to chew. I'm not making very good time, but I like peppers. I'm enjoying myself. I think I gotta try to eat the stem first, though. Done. Okay. My jaw hurts so bad. How did I do it again? Just under 10 minutes. That's insane. Honestly, that was not that bad. I really like peppers, so I enjoyed that. I can't say I enjoyed eating the stem. It was kind of gross, but